Alright, so this is going to be an absolute beginner guitar lesson. So, what I'm going to be teaching you is basic chords and stuff like that. And also, what the frets mean and things like that. So, let me find a pick and then we'll get started.
Over here, I'll learn it on.
Okay. Alright. So, what this is it's truly a beginner guitar lesson. So if you are wanting to learn guitar, this is for you. So first, let's go over some things right here. So, if you notice, these sections, these lines, these are frets. So, you'll hear me say like fret 3, so this whole area right here is fret 3. Or fret 2, this area right here is fret 2. And then, if I name strings, there's 6 strings, and the way I remember these strings is it's E, A, D, G, B, E. And the way I remember that is Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So, if you want to remember those strings, because I'll say like 3rd fret, D string, so like that. I don't really say that, so what I do otherwise is I'll just count. So like this is the 1st string, this is the 2nd string, this is the 3rd string, and so forth till we get to 6. So let's start with chords. Now chords, depending on what you're playing, the most basic chords are G, C, and D, and E minor, depending. So the way you're going to play a G, which is one of the most chords you need to know, let me make sure you can see, is you're going to take your pinky finger and put it on the 6th string, your ring finger, put that on the, I guess that would be the 5th string, and this is on the 3rd fret, by the way. You're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to put it on the top string, on the 3rd fret. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and put it right under that on the 2nd fret, and you're going to strum that. Now when you start out, you may have some buzzing, and what you're going to learn to have to do when you play guitar is play on your fingertips, where every note rings out. So, and then once you start practicing and stuff, when you first start practicing, you will get your fingers will hurt a lot depending on how long you play. As you go though, you'll develop callus and it'll be easier to play. Now, there's 2 different ways you can play C. And the first way I was taught was play that G and move these top 2 fingers down 1, and then you play the top 5 strings. And that's a C add 9. So that's what people call is fake C. And the real C is you're going to put your 1st finger, your index finger, on the 1st fret, 2nd string, or I'm sorry, 5th string. You're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret, that would be 3rd string, and then your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret, and that's going to be the 2nd string, and you're going to strum the bottom 5 once again. And that's one of the harder chords because you have to really angle your hands and make sure all those notes ring out. And sometimes you'll mute them with your pad of your hand right there. You gotta just sort of play on your fingertips. And you really, whenever you play chords, you really want to wrap your wrists around so that you get all those notes. Okay, so that's a C, that's a C, that's a G. And now D is a little bit different because when you strum, you only play the bottom 4 strings. So a C, a D, what you're going to do, you're going to put your middle finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, and that will be the 6th string. You're going to put your pointer finger on the guess that'd be the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger is gonna go in between those on the 3rd fret or 5th string, and you're gonna strum the bottom 4 strings. And so those are the three basic chords that you're learning. The other one is really simple, and that's E minor. E minor, you put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then you strum. And that's it. So there's D, D, C, D, and E minor. So for now, just practice those and come back for more. Thank you.